In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Slides to Notion. First, open Google Slides in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the account that holds the presentation you want to use. On the home page, choose the presentation from your recent files. This will open the deck you plan to bring into Notion. At the top left of the Slides window, click File. From that menu, select Share and then choose Publish to the Web. This creates a version of your presentation that can be displayed outside of Google Slides. Keep in mind that publishing makes the deck publicly accessible to anyone with the embed, so only do this for content you're comfortable sharing. In the Publish to the Web window, switch to the Embed tab. If you see options for size or auto advance, you can adjust them to fit your needs or simply leave the defaults. Next, click Publish to generate the embed code. Confirm if prompted. You should now see a block of code. This is the iframe that will display your presentation elsewhere. Highlight and copy that code. Now create a new text file on your desktop using a simple editor like Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac. Open the file and paste the Google Slides embed code you just copied. Save the file, then change its format from .txt to .html. If your system hides file extensions, use Save As in your editor and name it something like slides.html to ensure it's saved as an HTML file. With your HTML file ready, go to notion.com and open your workspace. In the app, look to the bottom left and click Settings. In the Settings panel, choose Import. This tells Notion you want to bring in content from another format. Select HTML as the import source. When prompted, upload the HTML file you created on your desktop, find the file, select it, and click Open. Notion will process the upload and create a new page from that HTML. Once it's done, open the imported page, and you should see your Google Slides presentation embedded right inside Notion. If the size isn't perfect, you can adjust page width or add surrounding text blocks to frame it the way you like. That's it. You've published your slides to the web, wrapped the embed in a simple HTML file, and imported it into Notion so the presentation appears directly on your page.